Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is all about MAC One Brand makeup tutorial. MAC has got a huge collections of makeup product and I would be using all the MAC products to create this look. To know how I created this look, without any further ado, let's get started.
And if you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel for more videos. And click the bell icon for notification. I'm using a MAC Mineralized Time Check lotion. This lotion is very light and helps to hydrate your skin. It is very important to apply lotion before you start off with your makeup. Then moving on to a primer, I'm using a MAC Pep and Prime primer. This primer is a creamy in consistency but a little bit of on a thicker side. It doesn't feel very heavy onto your skin, and it blends very easily and smoothly onto your skin. To hide my imperfection, I'm using a MAC concealer and corrector palette. From this palette, I'm using a orange shade. Best thing about this palette is it has got concealer, highlighter and contouring in this one palette, so that you don't have to carry too many things. I'm taking a MAC Studio Fix foundation and I'm in the shade NC41. By taking a flat brush, I'm applying all over my face. To blend my foundation, I'm using a beauty blender. It's always good to blend your foundation in a dabbing motion so that your foundation stays intact. Then I'm taking a MAC Studio Fix concealer. I'm in a shade NC35. Just to highlight my face, I'm using under my eyes. To set my face, I'm using a MAC translucent powder, and this is in the shade NC20. Moving on to my eyebrows, I am taking a MAC Magnificent Me eyeshadow palette and I'm using a dark brown shade to fill in my eyebrows. To clean up my borders, again I'm taking a MAC concealer palette. Moving on to my eyes, I'm using a MAC Deep Fixation eyeshadow. Taking this eyeshadow, I'm applying all over my eyelid. Then I'm taking a MAC Mega Metal eyeshadow. This is little darker than the previous one. So I'm applying in the inner corner of my eyes and outer corner of my eyes. Again I'm taking a MAC concealer, taking a flat brush, just I'm gonna apply on my middle part of my eyelid. Then I'm taking a MAC eyeshadow, and this is Electric Cool eyeshadow, and just applying onto my middle part of my eyelid. Again, I'm taking a MAC eyeshadow and trying to blend those harsh edges so that it looks natural. For my eyeliner, I'm using a MAC Black Track Gel Eyeliner. To highlight my brow bone, I am taking a MAC eyeshadow palette. I'm using a cream shade from this palette. To set my foundation, I'm using a MAC Pep and Prime transparent finishing powder. I'm using a MAC gel eyeliner to fill in my waterline. To contour my face, I'm using a dark brown from this palette. For my blush, I'm using a MAC Mineralize blush, and one good thing about this product is it has got the blush and the highlighter so that you can highlight your face along with the blush. For my lipstick, I'm gonna use MAC lipstick, and I've got two lipsticks, and the first shade is in the Plum Full and the second shade it's in the Rebel. Today I'm gonna be using a Rebel shade for my lips. If you like my video, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos.